Welcome to this Circle Medical Review. Find links to the platform and its services below. Circle Medical offers convenient virtual and in-person primary care, partnering with UCSF Health for a comprehensive approach. Combining traditional care with advanced telehealth technology, it's ideal for busy professionals, those managing chronic conditions, or anyone seeking accessible care from a trusted provider. Circle Medical offers annual wellness exams, chronic disease management, mental health care, prescriptions, and lab work referrals. A key feature is its dedicated primary care provider, PCP model, fostering ongoing doctor-patient relationships and personalized care. You'll be matched with a board-certified physician for your specific needs. Circle Medical integrates with most major insurance plans, minimizing out-of-pocket costs. Transparent, reasonable pricing is available for uninsured users. The user-friendly mobile app lets you schedule appointments, manage prescriptions, and access medical records. Mental health care is a priority, with treatment for anxiety, depression, and ADHD, including evaluations and medication management. Combine virtual visits with in-person appointments at partner clinics for added flexibility. Circle Medical is a reliable, comprehensive telehealth solution for diverse healthcare needs. Its personalized care, insurance compatibility, and user-friendly technology make it an excellent choice for modern healthcare. Check the links below to learn more and book your first visit.